Hi guys, so today I'm back with another Stitch Fix unboxing video. First of all, I just want to say I apologize for looking a little gross. I'm at home for spring break and I got a little bit of a cold, so I really didn't feel like putting on makeup today or anything, so just excuse that. So I'm really excited for this Stitch Fix unboxing because I asked my stylist for some graduation pieces for me to wear. I am graduating this May and I get to walk in 2 ceremonies, so I just wanted some cute dresses that I can potentially wear for those 2 days. So I'm graduating with my BA in Liberal Studies, and then I'm also receiving my multiple subject teaching credential, so that's why I get to walk in 2 ceremonies. So I was just curious to see what I would get if I asked for outfits for those 2 days. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, you create a profile and then you write a note to your stylist about some things you would like to try. It could be trends that you're interested in, or it could just be you're looking for an outfit to wear for a certain occasion. Like for me, I requested pieces for graduation, and then your stylist will create a box for you of clothes, accessories, shoes for you to try on, and then you'll get sent to your house, and then you have 3 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back, or you can keep all of it. If you decide to keep all 5 pieces that are sent to you, you get a 20%, let me double check, you get a 25% discount on all the items, which is really nice. So what they do, they send you basically like a receipt of how much everything costs, and they tell you the subtotal, and then if you buy all 25, the discount for that, and then yeah. And then, oh, you also, if you purchase something, you get your $20 styling fee credited back to you. So that's additional $20 off of your purchase, which is really cool. If you choose not to keep any items, you lose out on your styling fee, because every time you sign up for a box, you're charged $20 for your stylist to pick your items. But if you purchase at least one thing, the $20 basically gets credited back to you, and it just goes towards your purchase, which is really nice. So yeah, you get your receipt, and then you get a little note card from your stylist. And my stylist this time was Jen. I'm not sure if I've had her before, but she said, "Happy Fix Day, Lena. I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm so excited to style this fix for you. Congratulations on your upcoming college graduation. It is such a fun and exciting time. Since you'll be walking in 2 ceremonies and will likely have a lot of celebrating to do, I've filled this fix full of great dresses for more formal occasions and for more casual ones as well. The Fortune and Ivy dress is a beautiful option for one of your ceremonies. The white is perfect for the spring, and you can dress it up with colorful shoes or fun jewelry. I also included this playful Goldray option. The purple is gorgeous and the laser cutouts are so fun and stylish. I also included this fun Leota dress. It is perfect for a graduation party or a fun night out with your classmates. I can't wait to hear what you think. Your personal stylist, Jen." So I did do a sneak peek of this on my app, so I was able to see some of the things, but again, I'm gonna have to try everything on to make a full decision. So I'm really excited about these shoes. I'm gonna have to see what they look like on. So I got sent these little booties. They're kind of like a grayish tan color with a cute wooden heel, and these are by Soul Society. They're the Sadey Nubuck Peep Toe Booty in light gray. They're size 8.5 and they're $89. So I'm definitely gonna have to try these on and decide whether or not they're worth the $89, but they are really cute, and I've been looking at kind of revamping my shoe wardrobe because a lot of the shoes I have are very old. And, I will list everything that was sent to me down below in the description bar, so if you're curious about trying any of these on yourself, you can ask your stylist for them. So the first dress I got is kind of this cottony dark navy blue dress, and it has, I'm not sure if it's really picking up on the camera, but there's little eyelets, little cutouts on it. So it's pretty cute. I'd have to try it on and see if it would be something I would like to wear depending on how it fits. It is kind of dark, so I don't know if I'd be really hot in this, plus my graduation gown over it, but again, I'll have to see what it looks like on, but it is cute and it looks like something I would wear. And that was the, I did not look what is this? This is the Market and Spruce Shirley Cotton Eyelet dress, and that is $74. The color is navy and it is a size small. So I will have to try this on and see what I think of it. Next is this really pretty kind of purple colored dress, and it has these cute little cutouts on the bottom. This is really cute, and I really like how the material feels. It almost feels, I don't know how to explain it, it almost feels like a little spongy. I don't know, it's really soft and I think it'll be flattering on, so I will have to try it on and see how it fits. This was the Goldray Sylvia laser cut scuba knit dress, and it is $78. My next option, I was really excited when I saw this when I did my little sneak peek. It's this white kind of like lace dress. It's super soft and it has like really pretty flowers on it. This will definitely be one that I will probably keep if it fits well and looks good on. This is the, let's see, it is the Fortune and Ivy Jonnie back detail scallop neckline lace dress, and it goes up pretty high, has a high neckline, and then it has a little button on the back just to hold everything together. I'm really hoping this one fits because I really like it, and it is $58. It's actually the cheapest thing in this box. This is a pretty expensive box, so I don't think I'm going to keep everything. And the last thing that was sent to me was this Maxi dress, which looks like this. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. I don't know if I want to wear a maxi dress to graduation just because I think that'll be too much fabric and it'll be too hot. I'm also not sure if I'm the biggest fan of the print, but I will give it a try. The brand is it is the Leota Charice Faux Wrap Knit Maxi dress in the color navy, and it is $88. I'm not really sure if I want to spend $88 on a maxi dress that I could probably get for cheaper at Forever 21, but I'll still try it on just to see what it looks like, but I'm probably not going to be keeping this one. So all the items in my box altogether is $387. That's probably one of the more expensive boxes I've gotten. If I buy all 5 items, I get the 25% discount, which would take off $96, which would then bring my, and then I would get the $20 styling fee credited back, and so that would bring everything down to $270. Again, I'm probably only going to keep 1 or 2 things from this box, just because I don't have that money to spend right now. But yeah, I will try everything on, and I will let you guys know what I think about all the items. So the maxi dress actually ended up being super flattering on me. I really liked how it fit on my body. But again, I'm not sure if I can justify paying $88 on a maxi dress that I can probably find somewhere for a lot cheaper. This dress I really liked. I definitely think it's one that I'm going to keep. I just really liked how it fit on my body, and I thought it'd be something super cute for me to wear to graduation. I think these booties are really cute, and I would definitely wear them not only at graduation but also for other events that I have going on, so I definitely think I might be keeping these, even though they are a little pricey, but I know I'd get a lot of use out of them. With this purple dress, I really found it to not be very flattering on my body. I just feel like where it comes in on my waist, it just doesn't look right to me, I guess you could say. I don't know if maybe it's too big on my body, but it just wasn't for me. I really liked the cutouts though, so it's kind of a bummer that it didn't work out. I thought this dress was cute, but I wasn't sure if it was something I would necessarily want to wear for graduation, and it did also feel a little too big on me, so I couldn't really justify spending money on it, but it is very cute. Alright, so now that I've tried everything on, I basically just have to make a decision about what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. And the great thing about Stitch Fix is that they give you a addressed and paid for envelope so that you can return all the items you don't want to keep, and so you don't have to worry about doing that yourself. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think I should keep. I think the only things I really like are the shoes and the white lace dress. I think those were the items that looked the best on me. The purple dress I feel like just wasn't very flattering at all. Don't really know if I want to spend $88 on a maxi dress. And the blue dress I think was just a little too big in the waist. But again, let me know what you guys think, and I will let you know what I decide to keep and what I send back to Stitch Fix. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed another Stitch Fix unboxing video, especially graduation edition. Let me know if you would like us to keep filming more of these, and if you want to see more of our content, make sure you like and subscribe to our video, and make sure you follow us on social media, which is in the down bar below. Well, again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye guys!